Good morning, Lot. Faster na. We have to go for breakfast. Lika na, let's go. So guys, good morning. Guys, we're leaving the hotel na. Oh, Lot. Wait. Let's go na. Nas sila Francis, nasa na?
Asalabi na po sa ma'am.
Okay. So guys, we're leaving the hotel na. And look how beautiful here. My gosh, you'll enjoy the minute. So, okay, connected kami na Karen. So guys, this is our unit here in Baguio Country Club. And look, there are 3 bedrooms and how beautiful. It's so big. It's so huge. So, another unit here is Karen staying there. So, okay, same, 3 rooms also. So, okay, let's go. We're going to have breakfast
Kunin ko muna yung...
at the Cafe by the Ruins.
Kunin ko muna yung...
Oh, sige, okay. Go. So, okay, guys.
Sunod ako, ma'am.
Okay.
Sige po.
Oh, sige, Lot.
Sexy.
Siyempre.
Sexy yan, guys.
Disclaimer, the sole purpose of this video is purely for entertainment. Of course, no bashing. It's for fun. Of course.
So, everyone is out already. Okay, wala na sila. So, okay. Guys, so beautiful here. Look. So, they're all downstairs. Lot! Look at the view, guys. Beautiful Baguio. Lot! Ang tagal mo.
Hindi po dyan, ma'am.
So, where?
Dyan.
So, guys, it's so cold today. Ang hot water. And no, I didn't know. Ang hot water. Too much. It's like smoking hot. Guys, yung hot water dito, sobrang hot. So, guys, today we'll have, si Botlot, grabe habang nagkakamera. Ano?
Ang damit kasi, ma'am.
Super tamis. Ay, good. Guys, yan yung na-pick up ko kahapon. Yan yung pinitas namin yesterday.
Guys, breakfast area. Yan po, may nag-golf. Ma'am,
Asan si sir?
hindi ko po alam, ma'am.
Basta call na ulit yun. Oh my God, so nice. Guys, masarap mag-breakfast pero wala na kami. Pagkain mo na siya. O mag-thank you tayo sa
Ayan na. Yung car.
car. So, okay guys, we're going for breakfast sa Cafe by the Ruins. I'm excited. I'm so hungry na. Okay, let's go.
Nanap ka namin dun, sir. Nandito ka na pala. Ito yung papasok sa hotel namin. Ito yung entrance. Ang ganda ng mga kahoy. Ang kapunis ko, Si ma'am. Si Inday sa likod. Yan. Ang ganda ng tree dito. Ang datang-as. Ano pa? Camp John Key. Guys, ito yung Jump Can Key. Camp pala, camp. Ayan. Jump Can Key. Okay. Pati pa naman yung mga Chinese yung mga pangalan. Oh, sige guys. Kaya nyo yan. Ate, kaya nyo yan.
Also, okay, we're now here in Cafe by the Ruins. Okay, I will have breakfast here.
Buenas, mabili ka nga.
Good morning! We're now here at the Cafe by the Ruins and look what we're eating. Strawberry tamang with tutsuro. So, okay guys, I'm now showing you the presidential suite here in Baguio Country Club. So, let's see what's inside. This is just new and just opened like 4 months ago. So, okay. Oh my God, it's mali. Wow! Ang ganda. Look, asan ka? Ay, okay. So, may... Ang aking tour, very nice. No, yung cameraman, hindi ko mahanap. Oh my gosh, so this is the original Baguio Country Club. Parang it's a log house. Wow. When was this? 1800s or here? Houston in Baguio. Ano? House in Baguio. Wow, that was like, how long was this? 100 years na ba to? Oh, this one. Oh, wow. And when you play golf pala, dapat nakaganyan. Nakagown. Okay, so let's go. Ang ganda. Wow. And look at this. My gosh, ang ganda. What's this furniture? Can you read for me? Oh my God, and there's a loft. Hi, Dusty.
There's a loft.
Okay. Oh my God, what a beautiful room. I love the wallpapers. Look, huh? Guys, ang ganda-ganda! Ang ganda ng view. Lot, can you show the view? Phil, dito na tayo next time. Wow.
Wow!
Ang ganda ng view.
Ang ganda.
Oh my gosh. Oh, there's a
Ganda.
tournament, I think eh.
Ganda, no?
Okay, ang ganda. So, this is newly renovated kasi di ba old na dati yung mga rooms. And look how beautiful here. Ganda. And my gosh, sobrang bango. It's so mabango here. And oh, yung dresser. Oh, naka-Dyson pa. Wow. Air rack. And here, what's here? It's going out. What's this? Going out. Okay, wag na yan. Let's check the bathroom. Wow, ang ganda. Look at this. You know, the jacuzzi. Wow, ang sarap ng ganyan-ganyan. Oh my God. So, and here, oh, ang ganda ng shower. Ang laki. It's so big. Look how beautiful. His and her pa. Phil! Phil, oh my God, I love the view. Inday, please excuse me, let us show the view. Excuse me, huwag ka dyan nakaharang. Of course. Oh, nag-enjoy ka ba, Inday?
Opo, ma'am.
Oh my God, ang ganda. I can just stay here the whole day. Wow, what a beautiful view. Can you just take a photo of me? Look at the interiors. Oh my God, ang ganda ng headboard. Oh, and look at the ceiling. And all the wallpapers are woven. Para daw they have the Cordillera touch. Look. Okay, wow. The Baguio touch.
Tama, no?
Oh.
Yung design niya.
Oh, ganda. It's, my God, this is expensive, ah. Oh my God, nakaka-relax. You know, if I'm here, I will not go out na. I'll just stay here the whole day, mag-wine, and then watch TV. Look, there's a fireplace. Ah, look at that, oh. Ganda ng mga sculptures.
Kenneth Cobanpue.
Kenneth Cobanpue, ah. That
Little
sculpture is by Kenneth Cobanpue, Little People. Oh my gosh. And I love this dining table. Babe, dito yung maganda ko. And I like this one.
Big yung picture.
Oh, that is like
are...
here. So, these are real pictures.
Yes.
Okay. Teka, tingnan mo nga kung ano yung tatak ng
Ano
chair.
pa? Ito na naman nakikita.
No, yung dito, ano nakalagay?
Wala, nakasulat. Baguio Country Club.
Ganda! Local lang to?
Ah, yeah, local lang.
Parang
Sa Manila
yun.
lang.
Ito,
Sa tingin ko to,
Saan to?
Pampanga.
oh my God, I thought
Okay.
it had.
Kaya to ni JP Betis.
And look at this display cabinet. Oh my gosh, ang cute. Okay, products ng Baguio to, no?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, made by Ibrots.
Yes.
Ang ganda, look at that, oh. Love it.
It is very...
So, okay, now let's go to the outing room. 1, 2, 3. Oh, wow. Nice. So this one, Alston can stay and here. And look, ang ganda ng view.
Yung pala is Alexa generated too. So pwede...
Wow, Alexa generated. So parang utos ka lang ng utos ga. Open the bathroom, open the sliding door, open the shower, open the... Can you toothbrush me? Alexa, pwede pa toothbrush? Sobrang Alexa operated. So okay, this is the other room. Sobrang ganda yung masters. And this one is another room, 2, 3, 4 rooms. So you have 4 rooms here, Danny.
Yes.
So how many people can stay here?
12.
12, wow.
12.
Teka, can we go up?
Yeah,
Oh, there's
sure.
another.
Yeah.
Wow, ang ganda ng stairs. Dapat ganito sa house, may mga lights para... Babe, can you do our like this? May lights. So, lot. May room na kayo ni Inday.
And then if you know,
Single bed.
pasok natin
Oh,
po.
what's this?
Cleaners, parang powder room.
Oh, the kids can stay here. For PJ, Michael, Tim, and Aton on the other side. Wow, nice. For the kids. Kids ng 3 boys. Dito, 3 boys can stay here.
4.
4.
These are trundle
Oh my
beds.
God, 4 for this. And there's another room there.
That's for the maids.
For the
Dalawa.
maids. So, see, 2 of you. Wow. So, 4 can stay.
Yes.
It's really for vacation. Ganda.
Alam mo, si Lot-Lot, kanina ko pa hinahanap. Eto, Lot-Lot. O sige, galingan mo. And then later na yung sermon. Oh my God! Magaling! Okay. Okay. Alam mo, these two brujas, kanina ko pa hinahanap. Nag-toilet lang ako. Ngayon, nagbi-billiards na. Okay. Inday. Okay, go. Wow! Oh my gosh, kanina ang galing mo. Now fail. Go. Wow! Good. Ang galing. Very good, Inday. Ang galing. Oh, they have bowling pa here. It's a club talaga. Of course, it's Baguio Country Club. Itong dalawa, si Lot-Lot, Why, nako, very poor, Nandiyan na, shoot nyo na. Let's go, alika na. Hindi nyo masishoot, let's go.
Shoot na yan.
Last. Okay, wala. Last na. Naku, ayaw na umalis tong dalawa. Last, okay. Galing ni Inday. Thank you so much. Galing ni Inday. My gosh, ito, pinahihintay kami dito, Pinapahintay kami. Ano, isa pa? Last na yan, Last na. Last na. Wala. Okay. So, very good, Inday. Winner! The winner is Inday. So guys, we're now here in Session Road and every Sunday, it's closed and meron mga ukay-ukay and performances, may art. So let's go! Ay my gosh, may surprise daw sa akin, so let's see! By the way guys, sila Lot-Lot, sila Inday and the team, they were here last night. Hindi na kami nakasama nila Dare and Tootsie Roll kasi guys, na-tipsy na ako. Of course, syempre nag-wine, nag-chill, and then nakatulog na. So, hindi na ako. Now lang ako nagising. So, nag-breakfast, and now we're here in Session Road. So, let's see what's in store for me here. So, oh my gosh, ang daming art. And ang daming tao, nakakaaliw. So, dito ba kayo last night, Lot-Lot? Okay, ma'am. Yeah. Sabi ni Lot-Lot, opo, ma'am. Si Inday said, hindi po. So, si Cha naman, eto naman syempre ang guide ko here. Cha, anong gagawin ko dito?
And ma'am, dito meron tayong mga chalk art activities. Meron kaming surprise for you.
Surprise for me?
Yung mga artists natin dito, meron mga ginagawa.
Ang dami nga daw artist. And later, I am so excited to go kay Kidlat Tahimik. Kidlat, pero tahimik, imagine guys. So let's here daw. So ililid tayo ni Cha. They will show me daw something.
Maraming fans si Lot-Lot.
Ay, si Lot-Lot, maraming fans. Oh my gosh, nahiya na ako.
Buti wala ka kahapon.
Why?
Kasi
Bakit?
malalaos ka. Dami nagpa-picture kay Lot-Lot.
I'm feeling so lost with Lot-Lot is when Lot-Lot is around. So, okay, so where do we go now? Oh, here.
Ito nandito yung mga chalk artists.
This is the chalk artist.
Yes, ma'am.
Nandito.
So, ito yung mga chalk artists. Itong road na to, kino-close to. Para
Okay.
yung mga artists, pwede sila mag-drawing using chalk. Para mabura din siya.
So chalk! Oy, bubura din. Oh my gosh.
Para hindi siya maging vandalism, nabubura siya every...
Oh
after
my
yung
gosh.
pagkadadaanan mo siya.
So ito, for today lang to. Later, meron ng
Yes,
cars.
ma'am. So, here.
Oh, oh my gosh! Sino to? Oh my God! My God! That's me! Oh my gosh, thank you! That's me! Kung my Hollywood Walk of Fame, si Small nasa Session Road. Look So, okay, picture.
Yes, po.
What's your name?
Carl Angelo Rafael po.
Oh, Carl
Like Rafael po.
Okay.
My brother.
Are you
Kapatid po.
brother? You do this every Sunday.
Yes.
So guys, look, ang ganda ng gawa nila. And what did you use to do this? Anong gamit?
Ang gamit po namin is chalk and soft pastel.
Oh, chalk and tapos nabuo na yan.
Yes po.
Every Sunday, marami nagpapagawa.
Yes po.
And how long nyo ginawa to?
Nag-start po kami ng morning, mga 7 a.m.
Wow, 7 a.m.
Tapos natatapos po kami mga lunch or after lunch, mga ganun.
Wow, okay. How many can you do in one day?
Isa lang po.
Ay, isa lang. So ako lang ginawa nyo.
Yes po.
Sige, thank you ha. Okay, teka, saan kayo galing?
From Pangasinan pa po kami.
Umakyat
So,
kami.
And then you're here every Sunday?
Yes po. Umakyat po kami every Sunday para mag-chop art.
Okay. So parang sideline nyo every Sunday.
Yes po.
Yeah. Oh my God, I'm so happy naman I'm so happy. Face na face ko ba, guys? Ang mukha ko ba? Sana pinapailiit nyo na lang yung face, inedit nyo. Ay!
Sa personal.
Saan? Sa personal? Alam mo, you are so correct and I believe you. Okay, gano'ng katagal yan dito? Pwede ba pakisabi kay Mayor 1 month? Pwede bang i-core down niya para wag mabura si Small?
Whole day po kasi siya naka-close. Mga bandang 7 p.m. po. Open na po ulit siya for cars.
So, ito, ang ibig niyo sabihin, dadaanan ng car yan. Yan ang ayoko. Ayoko daanan siya ng car. O, pwede tanggalin na before sagasaan ng car. My God. So, okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
I'm so
po.
happy, ha?
Yes po. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. So, okay, let's have photo.
Dito ka, naka-subscribe kami sa iyo.
Oh, okay, go.
Thank
Thank you
you
so
po.
much, guys. Thank you so much.
No bashing! No bashing!
Oh my God!
Bye!
Bye. So guys, we're going to this very go there and they call it Oh My Gulay, my restaurant there. And you know guys, one of the most famous artists here in Baguio is Kidlat Tahimik. So okay, let's go. So we're going to Kidlat Tahimik. I cannot wait to see this. Guys, I'm so proud. I'm going up 5 floors. Inaakyat ko yung 5 floors. And guys, look, hindi ako hinihingal guys kasi I'm very strong. Because you know, 47 years old should be very strong. Hindi pwedeng hinihingal ang isang 47 years old.
Akala ko 21 ka na.
Kahapon yon.
2 more floors.
Okay, 2 more floors. Wala bang elevator? Rest. Teka, gusto ko muna mag-merienda for a while. My God, yan oh. I climbed that stairs. Oh my gulay. Here. Wow, ang ganda dito. Teka, bakit hindi siya? Ba't di siya nakapantay? Gusto kong pantayin. Ay, hindi, ganyan talaga. Style yan. Where's Kidlat? Pag wala si Kidlat, I'll cry. Kasi, my gosh, I went up to see Kidlat, tapos wala pala si Kidlat. Ang ganda ng play. Wow! I cannot. This is so beautiful. Try natin yung food, merienda. Hello, guys! Ang cute. Oh. Say hi to them. Say hi. By the way, guys, it's Oh My Gulay kasi ang concept here is all gulay. So, okay, let's try natin yung gulay. Sige, let's dine in and let's... Oh my gulay menu. Look. Nako, Tim cannot survive here because it's all gulay. So, okay, let's sit down na. Pero meron ba parang juice? Gusto ko na mag-juice. Can you order for me juice, babe? I want Dayap iced tea, line. So, okay. Ang cute ng waiter. PJ. Okay. So, okay, now we have to sit down and I ordered the... What else?
Dayap ice.
Dayap. Teka, sandali. Medyo nababothered ako. Guys, ang editor ko, ayan. Guys, naka-Lueve. Pero, medieval ang brand. So, Lueve by Medieval. Oh, ang galing. Oh, tama na. So, okay, let's go and...
Dumami yung fans ko.
Baka dumami fans. Not so. Wag ka agad. Oh, kahapon 10.
Kapag tayo naging 20.
Oh my God, that's very good. Dayap iced tea, let's try. Wow, so good. It's healthy. It's of course lasang Dayap. It's giving me Dayap. It's lime. My favorite. Sarap, no? Good. Oh, let's go and sit there.
Hindi na po kami papaampon. Papapicture na lang.
Sino yun? Sino? Siya. Hi! Oh, gumana ang office. No, gumana ang office namin. Dito ka na. Oh, so si Phil, masyadong busy sa interview. Okay, by the way, before heading home, let's have merienda. So, and then after this, we can go home na. And it's a 5-hour drive, so I'll just sleep. So, okay, let's have lunch here. So guys, look how beautiful. This is a piece of art of our national artist, Kidlat Tahimik. Guys, ang ganda-ganda dito. Look, ito, it's on the 5th floor, but it's on the 5th floor. Pero my God, look, what he did here is like so beautiful. 5th floor here, imagine. Pero guys, eto na ang table ko, so magla-lunch na kami. Kasi guys, dapat we're supposed to go home na since it's just across my place on the road. So kailangan magmerienda muna and have lunch. Siyempre, papakainin ko itong mga nangangayayat ang team. Nasaan si Karel? Makeup artist. Humabol siya kahit last minute.
Ma'am, dito meron.
Hello. Of course! Ang cute.
Fan daw yung grandma.
Yung grandma!
Market mo, ma'am.
Yeah, is my fan. The grandma. Okay.
Fan pa yung grandma ko, pati yung mom ko po.
Oh my God.
Hindi pa ako, I'm doing this for them.
Hindi siya yung fan.
Funding po namin at saka happy po namin na panoorin yung vlogs niyo po.
Okay. The ma. Can you say hi to ma and
Oh my
grandma?
gosh, hi po. And hi to...
To ma and the grandma. Of course. So let's have a photo. What's the name of your grandma?
Angela po. And then my mom
About
is
the ma? What's the name of ma?
Sandra.
Oh, say hi. Hi. Thank you so much for watching me and supporting. Keep on watching, guys.
Yes, guys. Yes, ma'am.
So, fan ka na?
Yes po. Nanonood pa ko. Hobby po namin na panoorin yung
Oh,
vlogs.
wow. Banding nyo.
Yeah, once I got home.
Thank you so much. Can you say thanks to them?
Yeah.
Okay. My God, yung editor ko. Alive but with tungkod. My God, 5 floor, ha? 5 floors. Gusto ko mag-expose ng flesh. Ito na ang init, guys. Guys, ayokong gutumin. Yung glam team ko, my gosh, hindi pwede. Hindi pwedeng mabawasan ng weight. Ayan, humabol pa kahit 3 hours lang. And si Cha,
yung sleeper bus.
yung sleeper bus.
Sobrang saya, ma'am.
Ay, sobrang saya sa sleeper bus? Hindi dito. Hindi doon. Sa passion nag-enjoy, hindi with us. So, alam mo, Karel, thank you so much. Oh my God. Hindi mo ako may make-upan? Nasaan ang chair? Alam mo, yung asawa ko masyado nang na-engage. Phil! Ay, ang Phil, laos ako kay Phil. Busy ang Phil. What are you doing there? My God. My God, baka ito matuluyan. I don't like. Malapit nang bumigay. So, okay. Baka maging art ako dito pag diyan. So, okay, order na kayo. Order whatever you like, please. Lalo na tong si Karel, humabol tapos sasabihin hindi ko pinapakain. Ito, ang aking editor na alive and to lie. Bahat, 6th floor na akyat. Kasi kakain.
For the love.
For the love or for the food?
For the boy. The water.
Ay, may cute na waiter dyan.
Oo.
Super. Opa. So, Karel, kumusta yung mga sleeper bus experience mo? Ang sarap? Aircon? Wow, really? How much ang sleeper bus? 1.5. Oh my God. Sobrang mura daw. Sobrang mura, sabi ng makeup artist ko. 1.5 is so mura.
Ay, ano yun? Parang aeroplano daw.
Oh my God, para siyang nasa plane daw. Babe, nagbus si Karel coming here. Para daw siyang nasa business class. Ito yung food niya, oh. Sleeper bus, nakahiga daw.
Victory
Recline with this. Red carpet? Yes. Nag-enjoy. Alika, bus na lang tayo next time. All of us, bus na. 1.5 daw yung bus.
1.5 sleeper.
Oo. Wow.
Isa lang ka lang, worth it. Kung pag marami,
Karel, wag mo
Car na
na.
lang.
Karel, please, wag mo na sabihin kay sir kasi baka next time dalawa kami naka-sleeper bus. Knowing Phil, papabus niya ako. 1.5 lang. So, 3,000 yung biyahe namin ka. So, okay, 3,000 yung trip namin here and then magbablog kami dalawa tapos magsistay kami sa presidential suite ng Baguio Country Club. Pero naka-sleeper bus kami, guys. Wait for that. Nung pag-akyat namin dito, nagulat ako. Imagine, this is parang 6th floor. Tapos, guys, ang daming tao. Pero, guys, walang kasing age ko. Puro Gen Z. Kaya pala, guys, madaming Gen Z. Kasi, 5th floor. Walang elevator. Yung mga age namin na Karen, wala dito. Kaya nandun kami sa ground floor. sa Cafe by the Ruins. Thank you, my dear Tootsie Roll, for the breakfast in Cafe by the Ruins. Sarap!
Pero dapat sana kasama ka namin sa Tiangge. Pero anong ginawa mo?
Ang wewe ako kahapon, last night, kasi nag-wine-wine ako, tapos kayo nag-Tiangge lang. Hindi ako naka-join ng Tiangge, ukay-ukay. I want sana mag-fashion. O baka maraming items. Marami ka ba lot-lot na bili sa Tiangge?
Ay, naku tita, meron kaming surprise sa'yo.
Nasaan?
Sa kotse, mamaya, kailangan mabigyan natin.
Ah, maganda yon.
Matutuwa ka tita, hindi mo kakayan.
Hindi ko yun mga
Pag hindi yun maganda, lot-lot, babawasan ko yung sweldo mo, ha?
maganda yun.
Make sure. Teka,
Ay, anong yung mga favorite items mo yun?
Parang din yan.
may binubulong ito hindi. Favorite brand daw. Favorite.
Favorite brand mo yun, ma'am.
O sige, make sure magugustuhan ko. And by the way guys, if we finish early ng lunch, baka dumaan kami ng market kasi mga fresh daw ang gulay. And yung team ko guys, gusto. Doon pupunta sa market, hindi mga pasalubong. Kasi guys, mga trentahin na sila. Oh, ayan guys, hindi sila Gen Z. Mga tita na rin like me atong team ko, kawawa naman. So, later magpalengke kami at hindi na shopping ng other pasalubong. Gulay na lang. But we'll see kung makakadaan pa kami ng palengke. It depends on the traffic at saka what time kami matapos here. Pasyal nyo si Karel, sayang naman yung ano niya, yung sleeper bus. 5 hours pa lang siya. So, Karel? Oh, my God, nahipahiya ako. Lagi pala siya dito nagbabalikan pala. Hindi pala ako special. Oh my God, huwag niyo na ipasyal si Karel. Ano yung vegetable, Vegetable ice cream?
Tita, hindi porket oh my gulay.
Oh my gulay. So hindi daw, it's really ice cream. Guys, kasi sabi nila oh my gulay, so akala ko vegetable ice cream. So it's real ice cream crab. It's saging crab. Okay, so eat na kayo. Okay. Baby, subo me. Subo. Babe, nag-enjoy ka ba? Ako subo-subo.
Ano? Like,
Ang tagal.
akala ko ako susubukan.
Ang tagal eh. Subo, Phil. Phil, you try. Okay. Okay, sarap.
Yes.
Sarap. Walang kasweet-sweet. Yeah, sarap. Ganyan. Sabi mo, thank you.
Place to?
Ayoko na. Bahala ka na sa buhay mo.
May interview na yan.
May interview siya, gumapala ng office namin. Hindi ko na.
11 years ago.
Anong ginagawa niya ngayon?
Outside Metro Manila.
Wow! Sabihin mo nga gawin niya yung mga sira sa bahay. Pinakain.
Nagkatrabaho na.
Sabihin mo gawin niya yung mga sira-sira sa house. Okay, ang sarap. Oh my God, it's good Si Phil, ang daming nakikilala sa mga travels. Yung travels around the Philippines. Marami siyang friends. Yung yung dati naming karpintero, na-meet niya. Saka sino pa yung dating tubero. So ayan, ang dami. Kompleto na ulit kami sa house. So may tubero na kami. And meron na kaming karpintero again. O, pinapunta mo na sila sa Manila.
Hindi naman.
Ay, hindi sana yung makisakay si Phil. Hindi daw niya kinuha.
Nakuha ko yung number.
Okay. So, okay, baka pumilit ng editor. Okay, later na guys, kakain na yung editor.
Alam mo, tita, may sasabihin ako. Ito, nag-request ko sana na
Magpupusog ka sa
sasabay sa
gulay?
kapaw.
Sino re-request sa'yo pa uwi?
Ito.
Lot? Anong gagawin mo dito? Diyos ko,
Banding daw kami.
umuwi na daw ako ng maaga. Mauna na daw ako umuwi. At tapos siya,
Sasabay daw sa amin.
kung maglalakwat siya pa sa Baguio. Baka puntahan mo yung ex mo, taga Benguet daw yun.
I-vlog mo daw yung yung ex niya na para daw makita na sexiness na.
YC na siya eh.
Kasi gusto niyang kuhanan ng pera kasi malaki na daw ang sweldo. Oh guys, please pa-support naman yung mga kids mo. Ikaw naman, supportan mo naman si Lotlot, 2 kids nyo. Ang laki na ng sweldo mo daw. Please help your kids, ha? Brian Cruz, please. Help Lotlot.
Bumubulog sila.
Kasi guys, kawawa. Single mom, pwede mag-support ka. Ang laki na ng sweldo mo. Brian Cruz. Report kita eh.
Hoy,
Kawawa naman. Tulungan.
may ibang Brian Cruz na...
Ay, di, asawa ni Lotlot eh. Sige, gusto mo, itulfo natin. O sige. Single mom to, walang nagsusupport. Ang laki.
Tita, so si Inday, yung asawa niya, binibigyan na siya ng
Yes, very good si ano.
May ATM sa kanya.
Ay, very good. I'm so happy, Inday. Kasi si Man yung asawa ni Inday at nagbibigay na ng budget.
Ito, inaano natin ngayon.
Single mom, so tulungan naman si Lot mag-support ng kids, di ba?
Ako din, tita, gusto ko rin support.
Iso-support kayo ni TJ. I-boyfriend nyo lang siya.
Yung pang support ko galing sa'yo.
Oh, hindi nga kita fan eh, daughter pa. Hi to grandma and maha, okay? Okay, bye. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi, vlog! It's us!
So, thank you so much.
1, 2, 3, go! Like and subscribe!
Well, thank you guys. Bye. 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 See guys? Okay, ganyan. Gen Z ang mga kumakain dito kasi guys, sila lang ang kaya ng stairs, walang elevator. At guys, take note, hindi ko sila fans. Kasi ang fans ko, yung grandma and ma nila. Guys, nung nakita ko sila, sobrang tuwa ko. Tita Small, Tita Small. Sabi ko, oh my God, ang kikit ng fans ko. You know, Tita Small, fan ka ng grandma ko and ng mama ko. So guys, yung mga mama ang fans and ng mga lolas. So hi to the lolas and the mamas. Love you. Thank you for always watching my vlog. Oh my God, I really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Thank you, guys. See, I told you. Okay, nice to meet you. Oh, really? Where?
Science City po ninyo.
Wow, Muñoz. Teka, naka-Muñoz na ba ako?
Baka hindi pa.
Oo nga eh. What's in Muñoz? That's after Cabanatuan.
We have tilapia ice cream.
What? Tilapia ice cream, they're inviting me to eat. In Muñoz, Nueva Ecija.
CLSU. Yes.
Ah, that's a school.
That's a school.
Oh.
Central Luzon State University.
And then you have tilapia ice cream.
Yes.
They have tilapia ice cream.
Yes. po.
Ah, faculty!
Yes.
Ang babata ng faculty.
Oh my God! Actually, narinig lang namin yung
Voice ko. Malaking voice ko na yun.
the students, yung young people.
Oo, young
Then,
people.
Like and subscribe. Then who's that? Then nakita ko, Sir Phil? Sabi ko gano'n.
Gusto ko lang nakilala.
Ay!
Sorry ako.
Oh my God, I'm feeling so laos in Baguio.
Tapos excited kami kay Ate Lot.
Guys, I'm feeling laos here. Oh my gosh, insecure na ako. Phil, you have to hear this. Anong sabi mo?
Apo kayong dalaga.
Phil, kailan?
Binata.
Akala ko ako lang. It's Phil Ren. Okay. Ah, si Alvin. Ah, ay, si Philip masyado excited. Okay.
Time na si ma'am.
Oo, dito ka. Gawin mo naman yung bahay namin. Mga sira-sira doon. Si Alvin, oh my God, buhay pa.
Kasi bilang po kami
Ay, thank you. Kasi,
fan po yung mother namin.
yung mother na naman. Okay. Okay. Make sure lang, ha? Kasi mother.
Thank you, bro.
Okay, thank you. Yung mother pa rin. Ano to? Ay, order niyo yung crepe. Sino nag-order ng crepe? Okay, go. Ay, siya yung opa. Jerry, yung opa. Yung opa.
Say hi to the vlog.
Ay, sobrang shy.
Maganda mo na yung smile mo, parang Chinese. Say hi to the vlog. Hi vlog. Sabihin mo.
From Chinese, no?
Mahihain siya. Si Jerry. Si Jerry.
May Chinese vlog.
Ay, igurot.
Ay, igurot. Igurot ka? Teka, by the way, ano yung igurot? Kasi nasa Baguio. Town.
Group of Cordilleras.
Cordilleras. Guys, can you explain what's Igorot? It's a town or up there sa mountain? Or tribe? Igorots. Kasi siya, is Igorot daw. Oh guys, punta na kayo. May OPA dito. Ayan no, OPA. Buti na lang walang mic si Phil. Walang mic si Phil. College na daw ba? Ma-interview ni Phil, ganyan.
Mamaya makuha na rin niya yung number na gagawa na rin sa bahay ko.
Kompleto siya ng number ng mga karpintero, tubero. Ngayon later, meron na kami sa house. I-hire namin pag may parties. Guys, si Phil, sobrang serious sa mga topics niya. Ayan, nasa sila, history ng Igorot.
Ang igorot, no?
See?
Maraming mistiso na.
Tatay ng mga bata sa igurot.
Tatay ng... Oh, yun. Nabalik na naman kami kay Brian. Yung dad pala na anak ni Igorot?
Nagmamama.
Anong mama?
Ano po? Yung may pula, yung
Ano nga? Metal nut.
Ha?
Metal nut.
Betel nut.
Tisoy pa.
Ah! Ayun pula.
Yung may dahon.
Oh, nagaganyan. Yung dahon. Betel nut.
Pilaas parang
Ano sinasabi mo, mama? Nga. Six po.
Haluan ng American.
Aki ang tatangkad na anak. Kay Philip, ang Igorot na haluan ng American. Hindi ko na alam yung history. True. Totoo.
Japanese.
Yung Japanese.
nasa history na sila.
Nasa history na si Philip, guys. Hindi ko na kaya. Ay, gusto ko na bumalik ng Manila. Guys, okay, we're done eating. Nagagalit na yung editor ko kasi wala na naman akong photo ng food here. So, guys, it's all of us but it's good, ha? Okay, let's go. I'm not sure kung dadaan pa kami ng market kasi going back to Manila na for today. Where's my jacket? Where's my jacket?
Abangan nyo na lang.
So, bahala na, guys. Okay, just wait for our vlog kung makaka-market pa ako. So, guys, very gently ang steps. And how will I bring my mama here? And si ate and si Melba. Oh my gosh. But very nice stairs. Okay, by Kidlat Tahimik. It's so nice. Oh, may pila daw yung restaurant. So, we have to go home. Okay, bye! Okay, ang ganda. Oh, look. Okay, bye na. Oh my God. Hindi ako pwedeng naka-glasses. Cellphone ko, where's my cellphone? Ay! Oh my God, may butas! Sabi ni Joan, mabuti hindi ko. Oh my God, nandyan ako! Isang paanan dito. Shit, nag-split ka? Guys, yung editor ko, nahulog. Guys, tingnan nyo, walang nag-video kami, guys. Nahulog yung editor, nag-split. Guys, naghiwala yung kanyang two legs. Guys, ayun yung butas. Diyan siya nahulog, guys. Look. Oh my God. Hindi ngayon oh, guys, ayan. Oh my gosh, nahulog yung editor dito. Ayan, nasakit.
Huwag na tayo magpalengke.
We cannot go to the market anymore, guys. Okay, no more na. Marcos Highway Fruit Stand. Here we come. KJ, hindi na tayo mag-video pa baba. Ang ganda ng stairs. Ayaw na. Guys, ayaw na. Pilay na yung editor ko.
Alive but not kicking.
Yung pinantot na muna. I wish nakita ni Jerry to.
Hindi ako gano'n mag-video. Tama na.
Ayaw na, tama na. Ayoko na. Ayoko na. My God. Huwag kayong mag-video sa stairs. Guys, ayaw na. Ayaw na ng editor. No more. Nasa stairs. Okay, turn off muna yan. So guys, this is the price tip team and akala nila we're heading back to Manila na but isa-surprise ko sila sa palengke and I'll buy them gulay. Let's see kung magugulat sila. So okay guys, see you at the market.
May na kayo sa market dito sa Kissing Cloud, guys, dito sa Baguio. Nakabili na po kaming strawberry para pasalubong. Yan.
Lot, ano yung pinuntahan natin? Ito kami.
Shucks, hindi ito yung palengke?
Hindi daw po, ma'am.
Oh my gosh, guys. Okay, tawagan mo yung team. Sabihin mo, ano to? Pauwi na ng Manila, Francis?
Tama.
Oh my gosh. Oh, paano yan? Oh my God, plano ko pa naman surprise yung team. So, okay, we're not going to the market na because we're on the way to Manila na pala. So, magkaibang market to? Oh my God.
Palengke. Ito palengke.
This is not palengke. So, guys, maling palengke yung napuntahan namin. Sayang, plano ko pa namang i-treat ng mga kain-kain na vegetable and gulay and fruits ang team. Sayang, but we're on the way to Manila. So, okay, let's go back na. So, babalik na lang kami ng Manila. Oh my God, we cannot go back to the city na sa Baguio. Kasi this is Marcos Highway ba?
Tama.
We're now in Marcos Highway, now on the way to Manila. So, okay, Francis, uwi na tayo ng Manila. So, guys, that's it for my vlog. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye! Sayang! Hey guys, thanks for watching my vlog. If you want to watch more videos, click here. And if you want to watch more videos, click here. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye!